The water wheel is kind of an iconic feature of the distillery in Kilbeggan, and it's obviously linking with the generations of the past, 1757 to the present.
This is a bicycle representing a bike that we did up for a local girl with Down syndrome. A bird's nest representing bird's nest we made for the community.
Really one of the main parts of setting up sheds in the first place was really to give people a chance to be less isolated and to get involved in their community. And for them to be able to come and display it in such a positive manner today and be proud of that, I think that's nearly full circle stuff for a lot of them men.
I think the standard is really up. There's always been a couple of great stands and great exhibitions, but this time they're absolutely amazing. It's like as if they're learning from each other every single year.
Overall men's test winner is Ross Trevor.
These where our members are from, but also we have a lot of people who are from abroad. So they thought the idea of a little airplane to represent them, so this is from their home country, so that's from New Zealand, that's from Iran.
There's so many good entries, but really the level of detail, when you looked at first of all it looked great because it had the map of Ireland, and then you looked a little bit closer. It was just unbelievable actually when you looked at it, and you just kept spotting more things, the cup of tea, the scone, the burnt scone, the kettle, everything.
For me personally, it was medicine. It was early on in the day, you see everyone sticking to their own sheds, and then by the end of the afternoon there was guys having to wrap guys up from other to go collect them to get on the road. So I think it just shows that environment of camaraderie, and I think that's a lovely thing about it.